Do gods walk among us? Can divine consciousness reside in a mortal body? These questions might seem far-fetched, but not if you venture into the heart of Nepal. There, nestled amidst the Himalayas, an ancient tradition thrives, whispering tales of living gods, stories that speak of young girls, chosen and revered, their lives intertwined with divinity. They are the Kumari, the living goddesses. Imagine for a moment what it might be like to walk amongst a god, to witness divine consciousness in a mortal form. In the bustling streets of Kathmandu, there's a tradition that defies the boundaries of our understanding, the tale of the Kumari. The tale of the Kumari is not a simple folklore. It's a living, breathing tradition dating back over 2,300 years. Nestled in the heart of Nepal, this practice is as mystifying as it is awe-inspiring. The Kumari, or living goddess, is no mythical figure spun from the loom of imagination, but a real, prepubescent girl chosen from the Shakya clan. The selection process is as stringent as it is sacred. Candidates are meticulously scrutinized for physical perfection, their bodies bearing no scars, no marks of past or present injuries. Even the color of their eyes and the sound of their voice play a crucial role in the selection. Beyond the physical, the girls must embody certain behavioral traits, displaying fearlessness during a series of tests designed to measure their mettle. Once chosen, the girl is hailed as the living embodiment of the goddess Talayu or Durga, her every whim catered to, her every decree revered. She is worshipped, her divine consciousness recognized as she periodically steps out to bestow blessings upon her people. Her role is monumental. She confirms the king's legitimacy annually, a testament to the intertwining of the mortal and the divine. Yet this divinity is not eternal. Each Kumari, a chosen one, reigns supreme, their divinity unquestioned until the advent of puberty. Then, as if by a divine decree, they return to being mortal. The tradition of the Kumari at its core is not just about the worship of a living goddess, it's much more profound. This practice, steeped in over 2,000 years of history, sees the divine in the everyday and the ordinary, in the heart of a prepubescent girl from the Shakya clan. The Kumari, or living goddess, is not just a symbol, but a tangible manifestation of divine consciousness, believed to be possessed by the goddess Talayu, or Durga. The selection process for the Kumari is rigorous and meticulous, seeking physical and behavioral perfections, reflecting the commitment to honoring the divine in its purest form. The Kumari's reign lasts until she reaches puberty, a poignant reminder of the fleeting nature of divinity in human form. This tradition challenges our conventional understanding of divinity and humanity. It defies the notion of the divine as distant and unreachable. Instead, it brings the divine into our everyday lives and invites us to recognize it in all beings. In a world where the divine is often imagined as distant and unreachable, the Kumari tradition invites us to see the divine in the here and now, in the heart of a little girl, and perhaps in each and one of us. We are not here with the perception that this way is correct, and others are not, nor here to discuss vice versa, but yet to bring about information that we can see. It takes us to one word: experience. Are you living your best experience? We invite you to the comments to share your thoughts and subscribe for more if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Click on the next video to keep the journey going with us, and see you next time.